ENC 327. Ayan, so full metal unit with markings. So naka triangle sights, naka waffle type handguard, and then battery compartment niya dito. So naka metal receiver with Colt markings, may carry handle na nakasama. Ito yung sights niya. Naka KEC grip, polymer grip, and then yung mga small parts niya is metal. Working yung bolt release, naka rotary type chamber. Ayan. So naka-reinforce internal parts. Adjustable yung stock. Naka-butterfly swivel. And then may kasama ng LiPo battery at saka charger out of the box. Shoutout kay Boss J. So initials na lang guys, going to Naga. Okay, test natin. So lahat ng ENC guys may kasamang LiPo battery at saka charger. Auto. So FPS out of the box is around 420.